The upcoming Galaxy S25 series is expected to revolutionize the tech world with its advanced 3M chips. But that's not all. The series will also feature variations depending on the region, with some models boasting the Exynos 2500 and others showcasing the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. But what makes this chip so special? Let's dive in. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is set to be unveiled in October 2024, and it's already making waves in the tech community. With its impressive performance, it's expected to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a competitive edge over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But how will it perform globally? We've got the scoop. Recently, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 made its debut in the Geekbench database, and the results are staggering. Paired with 12 gigs of RAM, it achieved impressive scores of 20,884 in single-core and 8,840 in multi-core benchmarks on Geekbench 6. That's a significant improvement of 35% in single-core and 30% in multi-core performance over its predecessor. But here's the thing, early chip tests don't always paint the full picture. Reference devices with non-final software can lead to lower performance metrics. But don't worry, folks. Once the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is integrated into consumer-ready devices with more than 12 GB of RAM, we can expect a significant boost in CPU performance. It's like a puzzle coming together. Now, let's talk about the competition. The upcoming iPhone 16 Pro series is expected to introduce a chip that may not significantly enhance CPU performance compared to its predecessor. But will that be enough to keep up with the Galaxy S25 series? We'll have to wait and see. But Samsung isn't just stopping at chips. They've officially kicked off the mass production of the slimmest mobile device memory chips in the world. These tiny powerhouses are designed to enhance on-device AI capabilities in smartphones while maintaining an impressively compact size. It's like a match made in heaven: performance and portability. Sleek, high capacity, and tailored for intensive AI tasks, that's what Samsung's new RAM chips are all about. And it's likely that these chips will make an appearance in the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra possibly offering an increase in RAM. But why is RAM so crucial for AI tasks? Well, Apple's Craig Federighi has revealed that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus miss out on Apple Intelligence due to their 6 GB RAM limitation. That's right, folks, 8 GB is the minimum requirement for Apple's AI capabilities. But don't worry, Apple plans to introduce 8 GB RAM in the upcoming iPhone 16. Meanwhile, Samsung is leading the charge in memory chip manufacturing, equipping its devices with double the RAM, optimized for AI functions. But production for the S25 series is still on the horizon, which means these advanced chips might initially be used in other flagship Android devices. Now, let's talk cameras. Recent rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature an upgraded 50-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, significantly enhancing image quality and detail. But will the primary sensor remain unchanged? That's it for today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news updates. See you in the next video.